How to change your phone number on TanTan application. Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can change your number on TanTan application. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, you need to open the TanTan application and make sure that you're signed into your account. The next thing that you need to do is to tap on your profile. So once you tap on your profile, you need to just scroll down and find the setting option. So once you tap on setting, you need to scroll down and you will find the option account and security. So once you tap on account and security, you will find the first option, phone number, here. So all you need to do is to tap on the phone number. So guys, once you tap on the phone number here, it will ask you to enter your current password. So you need to type in your current password. So once you type in your password, all you need to do is to tap on continue. So once you tap on continue here, you need to enter the new number that you want to change to. So here is the new number that you need to tap. First, you can select the country code. The next thing that you need to do is to type in your number. And then once you type in your number, you need to tap on get code. So that number needs to be an authentic and active number because you will receive a code from TanTan, and then you need to enter the code, and then you need to just tap on save, because I will not change my number, but this is the procedure that how you can do. First, enter your number. The next thing you need to do is to tap on get the code. Once you get the code, you need to enter the code here, and then you need to tap on save. And this is how you can change your TanTan application mobile number. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notification. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take a good care of yourself. Bye bye.